and welcome to Miss Kate Cuttables 1 Minute Make. Today we are doing another school supply that's so happy to be going back to school. This one is a backpack. Someone requested a backpack, so this one's for you. I hope you like it. He has the same smiley face as the happy crayons from yesterday, so they will be a really cute pair together. I am also going to be doing more throughout the week, so once again, if you have any requests, then put them in the comments down below and I will look at those and see what I can do. So once again, I glued the yay for school before to save some time. So what you want to watch out for is that little tiny exclamation point period. It's really small, so make sure you don't lose that. So we're going to add the zippers and the little ties to the zippers, and then the cute little smiley face cheeks. So there is a little part above that goes on the handle that you can't really see from this viewpoint. You don't have to add it, but it just makes it look a little bit more three-dimensional. So you can decide if you want to add that or not. So make sure you subscribe to Miss Kate Cuttables YouTube channel, comment down below, hit the like button, ring the notification bell, and I will see you on the next 1 Minute Make. Thanks for watching.